Recovering deleted messages on Disney Plus can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is how you can attempt to retrieve your lost messages. Step 1. Check the app notifications. Open the Disney Plus app and check the notifications section. Sometimes, important messages may still be visible in the notifications even if they have been deleted from your inbox. Step 2. Visit the Help Center. Go to the Disney Plus Help Center on their website. Look for information related to message recovery or account issues. They may have specific guidelines or tools to assist you. Step 3. Contact customer support. If you can't find the information you need, reach out to Disney Plus customer support. Provide them with details about the messages you want to recover, and they may be able to assist you further. Step 4. Check linked accounts. If you have linked your Disney Plus account with other services like social media, check those platforms. Sometimes messages or notifications may be sent there as well. Step 5. Regular backups. In the future, consider regularly backing up your messages or important information. This can be done by taking screenshots or keeping a separate log of important communications. By following these steps, you may be able to recover deleted messages or at least prevent future losses. Always remember to keep your account information secure and backed up.